In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for freelance project management so you can organize clients, track deadlines, manage budgets, and keep every project moving smoothly in one place. If you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, proposals, revisions, and payments, this setup will completely change the way you work. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you the exact board structure I recommend. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and go to your workspace. This is where all your boards live. To create your freelance management system, click on the plus icon and select Add, then choose New Board. Name this board Freelance Projects so it's clear and easy to find. When prompted, choose Main Board. This allows you to keep everything centralized and accessible if you collaborate with clients or assistants in the future. Once created, you now have a blank structure ready to turn into a complete freelance command center. Next, we're going to organize your workflow using groups. Groups allow you to separate projects based on their stage. Rename your first group to Leads or Potential Projects. This is where new inquiries and proposals will live. Then add another group called Active Projects. These are the projects you're currently working on. After that, create a group called Waiting for Client for projects that are paused while you're waiting on feedback, content, or approvals. Add another group named In Review for projects you've submitted but haven't finalized yet. Finally, create a group called Completed Projects. This structure lets you visually track every project from first contact to final delivery. Now let's add columns to properly manage your freelance work. Click on Add Column. Start by adding a status column. This will track project progress with labels like Not Started, In Progress, Waiting, or Completed. Next, add a timeline column so you can set start and due dates for each project. This is essential for managing overlapping deadlines. Then add a text column and name it Client Name so you can clearly see who each project belongs to. After that, add a Files column. This allows you to upload contracts, briefs, creative assets, invoices, or any important documents directly inside the project. Finally, add a Numbers column and name it Budget. You can use this to track fixed project fees or estimated revenue. With these columns in place, you now have visibility into progress, deadlines, clients, documentation, and income. Now it's time to add your actual projects. Click on Add Item inside the appropriate group. Name the project something clear and specific, for example, Website Redesign Sarah M. Then fill in all relevant details. Select the status, set the timeline dates, enter the client's name, upload any related files, and input the agreed budget. Repeat this process for each client project you're currently managing. As new leads come in, add them to the Leads group and move them across groups as they progress. You can simply drag and drop items between groups, which makes managing your pipeline fast and intuitive. To make your workflow even more powerful, let's use Views. At the top of the board, click on Views to add different perspectives. Start with Calendar View. This shows all your project deadlines visually, helping you balance your workload. Next, add a Kanban view. This transforms your board into a visual pipeline where you can move projects between stages like sticky notes. It's perfect for seeing progress at a glance. Then add a Gantt view. This is especially useful if you handle multiple overlapping projects because it shows timelines across a horizontal schedule. Finally, add a Files view so you can quickly access and organize all client documents in one place without digging through each item individually. With this setup, you now have a complete freelance project management system inside Monday.com. You can track leads, manage active work, monitor deadlines, organize files, and keep an eye on your income all from a single dashboard. As your freelance business grows, you can expand the system with automations, time tracking, or integrations, but this structure alone is more than enough to stay organized and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.